Welcome to Take Radio. This is another short. As you know, Texas experienced an extreme Arctic blast, or so they called it on the news. All I knew, it was 53 hours without power. This is just my documented experience through that and some fun shenanigans I did along the way because why not? I got bored. So play that awesome intro. Well, it's a short, so there's no intro video, but play the short. Just play it. What's going on? This is KG5AHJ. I'm in front of my fireplace again because, well, been out power since 6:30. I don't really mean this to be a common backdrop, but it's the only warm place in the house. It's about 55 now degrees in my house. Since I'm out power, this is my radio station. There we go. My base station is down right now because of the whole interlacing issue. So I have the baofeng hooked up to it. I have a secondary anytone radio I can hook up to it. And just wanted to show how I cooked breakfast this morning. The Go box is deployed. Just waiting for power. Let's go play outside. Ha 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 ha! Day number 2 of power outage. I spent the night over at a neighbor's house where it's much warmer and better company than just me in my lonely house. Came back to check on it, and it's 39 degrees inside my house. So I just had the fireplace going to warm it up a bit. Interesting problem though, one of my sink drains has frozen shut. So I gotta come back and periodically empty it because the sink is still working because it's dripping, but the drain's not going anywhere now. Go figs, right? Oh well, I'm sure something else will be coming up and I gotta pay attention to that. So till then, I'm gonna go outside and make a snow angel.
Closet in the master bedroom, and
Play radio.
the closet door is shut. It gets cold in there, and I'm like.
At this point, I decided to go home and spend the night at my mom's because, she has power. Day number 3. Start off by topping off the car. I heard power's on back home, so let's go home. Before we get there, let's make a quick grocery store stop. This is going to be interesting. Quick. All the milk is gone. All bread. And that's the water. Yay! My garage door opens! This is how day 3 wrapped up. My sink drain froze, and I just sopped up all the water on my carpet and underneath it. Yay! Texas sweet tea. Ooh, that's good on day 4. least I have power. Oh, that's good. Texas sweet tea, part one. Shake it up. Then we put it outside. You know it won't be Texas sweet tea without putting it in ice. We'll come back to that in a couple hours. Probably shouldn't have gone outside in my slippers. Here we go. Probably shouldn't have worn sandals. Last step. Yes. Texas sweet tea. Day number 5. It is currently 17 degrees outside. I slept great again for a second night of power. I think the weatherman said it was supposed to get up to like 43 degrees or something. So it looks like we're finally coming out of this. Oh man, need some wood. There we go. Knock on wood. I hope you enjoyed these sorts. I know I did a couple of them already. If you do like them, go ahead and leave a comment below so I will continue making them. If not, then this will be it. I'm going back to work again, so I'm not going to have a lot of time to figure out something to get into trouble. So let's see if I figured out something. Cool. That's it. I survived the snow apocalypse of 2021. Ha 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 ha. Just want to give a special thanks to my mom and stepdad and also my neighbors for hosting me. I couldn't survive this. It was 39 degrees in my house. Ugh. So thank y'all and see you next time.